Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of groceries, what I'm buying for my family of 6. Today's haul is from Kroger, which is my local Fred Meyer. I spent $40.38. I got a few things that were on sale. I got all these beautiful berries, limit of 5, so I grabbed 5. Then the frozen fries were on sale, and we've been going through them quite a bit, so I grabbed 5 of those. And then I got some whole wheat flour, Prego, where I think they were $1.49 if you bought 5, so I got 5. And then same thing with the ranch. So a few pantry staples, some freezer staples, and then just some berries. That is it. That is my haul for just over $40 at Kroger. I do have a Safeway haul, so let me grab that and show you. So for my Safeway haul, I spent $76.95, but I did stock up on meat. First thing I got were some grapes because they were on sale, and then these beautiful romaine hearts, and they are pretty massive, and these are 99 cents for my Just For You this month. So this is great. Our bunny loves that. I got some potatoes. And then some Chobani flips. I think they were like 69 cents each. So I grabbed a few of those, and then they offered this Snickers bars for 99 cents. Somebody will eat it. They like Snickers here in this house. I get about one of these every week or so, just for sandwiches. Milk was on sale for $2.49, I believe. And then 1 pound of ground beef were on sale for $1.99 each. And there was a limit of 4 of the individual ones. And then there was a limit of 2, which is a total of 6 of the 2 packs that were like $5.96 for all of that. And then the steaks were $3.99 a pound, limit of 2, so I grabbed 2 of those. So just a little over $76. But I feel like this was a lot. The ground turkey was also $1.99 a pound, limit of 4, but they were just out. So I will be going back probably tomorrow and picking that up. But today is March 14th, and it is my little one's birthday. And I also bought him, I went in this morning. This came like delivery service. And then I went into Safeway this morning and bought him a cake for $28. Let me show you the cake. It's super cute for a 9-year-old boy. So this was straight from Safeway Bakery, and look how pretty it is. It's got Kit Kats on the side, and it's got M&Ms on top. I don't even know what kind of cake it is. It just says it's a layered candy cake. Either way, for a 9-year-old boy, I figure this is so stinking cute. And then we have balloons we're blowing up over there, and we're gonna decorate the house really cute. And yeah, he'll be super stoked.